Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and for those that are asking about Microsoft Edge update, I did see the update, but I forgot to talk about it here in the video. So a lot of you are asking, well, what was that update all about? So in Microsoft Edge, if you go to the upper right corner in the three horizontal dots, go into Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge, you will be, if not already done, moved to 108.0.1462.76. That update was released late last week, and it is simply a performance and bug fixing update. So it's no security updates in here. So there's no detail. When I look at the various blog posts that they have, they're not really issuing any info about what exactly was the fixes about. The only blog post they put up says fixed various bugs and performance issues for stable and extended stable release. So if you had issues, if you had problems, I know that a couple of you seem to have told me in the past couple of days or the past week or so that you've had some crashes with YouTube video playback. I don't know, maybe this fixes something about that. Unfortunately, it's not clear because there's no info. But anyways, it's not urgent. Like I said, it's really just bug fixes, no security. So if your Edge is fine, you can leave it alone. Anyways, it updates automatically if Edge is your main browser. And so you can check it out if you had some problems. It might fix whatever problem you had. So bug fixes, that's pretty much what was done. And performance issues, that also is mentioned. So maybe it's going to be better now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.